These keto chicken tenders can be made in the air fryer and in the oven. I give a really quick tip on how to remove that tough tendon in the chicken tender. The breading is an almond flour breading. We do an egg wash, but you could also use heavy cream if you have an egg allergy. Spray them with a little bit of oil so they can get nice and brown, and they are juicy and full of flavor.